this is question number 4 of exercise 11.2. In this question, you have to construct a triangle given its perimeter and its two base angles. So here you have to construct a triangle XYZ in which the two base angles are angle Y as 30 degree and angle Z as 90 degree, and the perimeter of this triangle is given to you as 11 centimeters. So I'm starting my question with a line equal to the perimeter of a triangle, that is 11 centimeters, and at P and Q we are going to construct the two angles 30 degrees and 90 degrees. All of you know that 30 degree is obtained when we bisect 60 degrees. So I'm going to just draw it simultaneously. This is 60 degree angle, and for 90 degree I will have to construct it this way. This is my 90 degrees and this is my 60 degrees, but I am required to find 30 degrees, so I'll have to bisect this. Take more than half of this and bisect 60 degrees, and this is my 30 degrees. This is my 30 degrees, this much. Now what I have to do is, I will have to bisect these two angles, that is 30 degrees and the 90 degrees. So now in order to bisect this 30 degrees, again I'll have to take more than half of this arc and bisect this angle of 30 degrees. So bisect this. And bisect this 90 degrees also. So take more than half, cut this arc, so this becomes your 45 degrees. This becomes your 45 degrees. Now wherever these two angle bisectors are meeting, you have to just name that as a point. You have to construct this X, so name it as X. Now make perpendicular bisector of PX and QX. So first I'll be making the perpendicular bisector of PX. You know how to construct perpendicular bisector. So take this, construct this, you have to cut this. So you get this as like this. Wherever it is intersecting PQ, name it as Y. And now draw the perpendicular bisector of QX. One way here, one arc is here. Cut this arc. So I have to join this. Now wherever it is cutting or intersecting this line PQ, name it as Z. Now join X to Z and join X to Y. Now see. Now if you see, this angle, when you will see, will come out to be 90 degrees. These two are parallel lines and PQ is the transversal, so these two are the corresponding angles. And this angle, now my question is, angle Y is 30 degrees. You will see that this angle is 30 degrees. You can always measure it with your protractor. And the sum of three sides should be 11 centimeters. If you measure it, this is 5, 4 and 3. XY is 5, YZ is 4 centimeters, and XZ is 2 centimeters. That gives XY plus YZ plus XZ as 11 centimeters. So XYZ is the required triangle. Now just to revise this construction where the perimeter of the triangle was given to you, let me just recall all these steps in the form of steps of constructions. Your first step was draw a line segment PQ equal to 11 centimeters. What was that PQ? It was nothing but the perimeter of the required triangle, that is XY plus YZ plus ZX. That was 11 centimeter. Then the second step was that at P you have constructed a 30 degree angle and at Q a 90 degree angle. After that you have bisected these two angles. That means you have bisected 30 degree to 15 degree and 90 degree to 45 degree. And the bisectors of these two angles were intersecting at X. Now in the fourth step, what you did was you have drawn the perpendicular bisectors of the line segments PX and QX. This was the bisector of PX and this was the bisector of QX. And the bisectors are, these two bisectors are meeting PQ at Y and Z. See? They are intersecting, the bisector of PX is intersecting PQ at Y and the bisector of QX is intersecting PQ at Z. Now the next step was join XY and XZ. So when you join these two lines, you observe one triangle XYZ. And as I said that whenever you are concluding the construction, you should always write that triangle XYZ is the required triangle.